Are you looking for the best Macbook Pro case? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best Macbook Pro case on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Macbook Pro cases. The KECC leather is one of our top picks for a MacBook Pro case. It is easy to install and remove, and it stays reliably attached until you need to remove it for periodic cleaning. It is a good-looking case, with this particular KECC line sporting a top shell made of premium Italian pebbled leather, available in various shades, and an attractive Apple logo cutout. The bottom half of the case includes slotted vents for cooling and rubber feet to prevent sliding on low-friction surfaces. This case is an all-around simple, affordable, easy to use, and stylish option. The KECC leather has a few downsides. For instance, it adds 4.5 mm of thickness to your MacBook and 258 grams of weight, making your laptop less slim and lightweight than its original design. Moreover, this case lacks additional accessories such as a keyboard cover, screen protector, or touchpad protector. Weight, 258 g. Added thickness, 4.5 mm. Number 2. A basic MacBook Pro case. If you're looking for a bare-bones clear case for your MacBook Pro, the Mociso Clear might be the right choice. It snaps on in seconds, barely alters the look of your laptop, and at a mere 215 grams, it is one of the lightest models that we tested. We were a bit disappointed that the Mociso only includes a screen protector and a wipe. We would have appreciated a keyboard cover or touchpad protector. Weight, 215 g. Added thickness, 3.5 mm. Number 3. Run-of-the-mill black case. The Ibanzer is a generic, black MacBook Pro case. It comes with a very low price tag, and it's a breeze to install. Unfortunately, the designers of the Ibanzer missed a crucial detail. The bottom half of this model barely snaps onto the bottom of the laptop with 2 tiny tabs. Even the slightest bump in the wrong direction will cause the lower part of the case to pop right off. We tested MacBook Pro covers at the Gear Lab headquarters, a facility where nearly every one of our team members uses a 13 MacBook Pro daily. We took careful notes on how specific cases stand out for different applications, which models are sleek or particularly gaudy, and which ones are the easiest, or the most frustrating, to install and remove. Weight, 233. Added thickness, 3.3 mm.